See, you're making an attempt to maintain something that is already there. Okay? I have explained this before. Mind's attention is different from awareness or witness. Witness is always there. You're attending this session, you're listening to me, the witness is there. You don't have to make an effort. When you're making an effort, what you're doing is the mind's attention. Yeah, you don't need to make an effort. Mind's attention is like a spotlight. I have explained this many times before. And awareness or witness is like the floodlight. Yeah. When you are trying to focus on something, literally your eyebrows are also contracting like this. Yeah, that is called focus. That's called mind's attention. Mind can never go behind to the witness. What you are trying to do is you're trying to turn the mind and see the witness. Is it possible? It's not possible. Yeah, I'll explain it to you with another example. Your eyes, aankhein, your eyes see the world. Can these eyes ever see themselves? Has your eye ever seen itself? You'll say, yes, I have seen it in the mirror. But that is a reflection. Is that really the seeing yourself? Actually seeing yourself. Is it possible? Is it possible for you to see your own face? How much ever you turn, you can't see your own face. Yeah, it's an endless exercise. That's what you are trying to do. And that's where I think you are stuck. Please come for a one-on-one. Yes? Whoever has asked this question, you are stuck because you're trying to see your face. It's not possible. The eyes are trying to see the eye. It's not possible. Do not try to make the witness or the awareness an object. It is the subject. The subject is trying to make itself the object. Are you seeing this? So, it is not working. Stop struggling. The witness is always there. It is there in deep sleep. You can't get rid of the witness even in deep sleep. So then how can you get rid of the witness when there is anger or hatred or turbulence is going on? The witness is always there. The background is always there. You're saying that in a movie, the background screen is there and there are images on the movie, your hero and heroine romancing on the movie. You're saying, oh, sometimes the background screen is there and sometimes it is not there. How can the hero and heroine romance? How can the images play without the background screen? It is always there. Yes? So you do not have to manufacture the background screen. It is always there. Remember this. Yeah? I have to just let go of the interest in looking at the hero and heroine dancing and look at the screen. That's it. So looking also is a metaphor. You cannot look. Like I told you, you can't look at yourself. You cannot see your own face. You can only be yourself. एहसास सिर्फ एहसास कर सकते हो सकते हो, देख नहीं सकते. You can only be yourself. You cannot see yourself. Yeah, so if you've been struggling with seeing the witness, we have to change that strategy a little. It was an incorrect understanding. Just be. Again and again, just be. And how do you be? Just by letting go of the interest in that hero and heroine on the screen. That's simple.